Hey rail fans and model railroaders, welcome to Getting Back on Track with Steve. We've still been working on some family business and haven't been able to get back to the layout, but we really appreciate all the support that we've gotten from our viewers. You're really bolstering us up. Thank you so much. We were talking the other night and we thought we need a bridge for our water feature. So we were thinking about 3D printing one and we thought we'd try out some time-lapse photography. So, as Dad would say, let's get that work done. Dad has an Ender 3 3D printer, and this is a print from Thingiverse by Creality, the HO scale straight bridge. Creality has a lot of great files he shared there. I'll link the file for this print in the description. It's an 8-hour and 45-minute print, and we used the app Blackmagic Camera to time-lapse it down to about 3.5 minutes. So we set it to run overnight. We'd like to try this bridge out to go over our water feature on the layout, and thought we'd try a few different models to see which worked out best. The time-lapse ended just before the print finished, and that's something we'll have to learn about for our next print. And here we have the finished print ready to be sanded and painted. Dad added a piece of polystyrene along the top edge of the bridge to give it a smoother, more complete look, and after careful trimming, sanding, and a few thin coats of paint with the airbrush, this is the finished bridge. These two were completed previously for our friend Douglas Cobb. So there we go. We thought for a first shot at time-lapse photography, it came out pretty well. And I'd like to thank you again so much for all the kind words and support. It means so much to us. We're hoping to get back to the layout by next week. And in the meantime, we'd like to share the things we are getting done. So make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you're notified of our next video. We're looking forward to seeing you here again on Getting Back on Track with Steve. Bye, guys.